This video is for all of you people who have been wiped out doing copy trading, for those of you who are brokenhearted, for those of you asking how much money do I need to really start up again, because you've been wiped out and you want to start again and you want to know how much you would need to safely do it, because you feel like if you had more money that you're doing okay, because you were following a good trader. And how come when you follow a good trader, you don't seem to profit? So this video will address how to manage those risks, and I've got some real gems in this video. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. If you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because that's probably going to be the most healthy thing that you can be doing for your account. Let's jump into it. Kong Long, all right, let's have a look at this particular trader, okay? This guy is obviously a really good trader. He's making consistent money, right? Bang, 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 it's going up. You would go, yeah, I'm going to follow this guy, right? Push it in there and then just going to put $10 and off we go. And that has been what I have been preaching in this channel. I'll go, yeah, guys, just start off really small. But the small isn't just small enough. Because if we go back to his trade positions with Kong Long, if you go to orders and go to copy trade history, he's opening quite a lot of trades. On the second, he's only opened 2 trades, which is good. Actually, these are the type of traders you want to follow. Actually, I didn't mean to suggest any traders or anything like that, but hey, there you go. But if we look at some of the traders like that are on the platform right now, you can see that they actually trade quite a lot. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. These are all positions open in 12. Yeah, of course the win ratios are really good. Win rates are really good. But you know what? They're opening like 20, 30 positions. And if you follow them at $10 each, you're going to need like, bloody $2,000, $3,000 just on margin, not even to consider like the drawdowns of it. So even if this guy is like, if this guy is just making margins like this, just going up like this, it's a great, wow, what a wonderful graph. Like, wouldn't you want to see your graph go up this way? If you don't have the amount of money that they have, well, chances are you're going to get wiped out. Because there is such a thing as drawdowns as well. So what do I mean by drawdowns? Well, when you make a $10 position, I'm going to open up something that's a little bit more poignant, okay? Let's have a look at this guy for example. Well, this guy, well, look at this. It is a nice graph. It goes up, but it does have dips in there. So if you don't have a $52,000 account, and if you had like a $6,000 account, $58,000 to $52,000 is a $6,000 drop. So if you have a $6,000 account, and if you traded exactly the same size as this guy was trading, well, guess what? See you later. RIP to your account, right? It's wiped out. And also, when I talk about drawdowns, I mean this. You have a $100 trade, bang, $100 trade. If that $10 trade, a $10 trade, and you exit out at $12, right? You made $2 profit, yay. But what if that $10 trade goes to $8 and $6 and $4 before it goes up to $8 and then back up to $12? Then it does do a drawdown. If on its way down and it goes up, it hits the bottom of your account, you're finished. You get liquidated. You get no money. You won't be able to continue to play this game. So what we need to do is we need to actually follow this guy's trajectory and the lot sizes, the margin sizes that he's doing. And that will only be good if we actually have the same account size as he does. Well, in this case, this guy has about $69,000 in his account, which is quite crazy. So the alternative is that if you have like a $300 account, $100 account, you can go find other traders that only have $100 in there, which then there will be a lot higher of a risk to actually wipe the account as well, because he's obviously not really caring that much about their account. Or maybe they're on some challenge to actually make that $100 into 100K. Who knows? If you follow them and you make 100K with them, more power to you. But that's just lucky. We're not here, we're not using a slot machine here. Maybe some of you guys are, but I certainly am not doing that, because I personally haven't been so lucky in my entire life. I'm sorry. So even if you have a good graph like this guy here, and it's going all the way up, there's no dips, but even that's a small, that's not really a small dip. He just didn't trade for a day. But even on this way up, there's always going to be these drawdowns, and you don't have $3,000, $4,000, $10,000, $20,000 within your account. So then what could you do if there was only a way that you could figure or manage that risk? And of course, you can do that by liking, sharing, subscribing, and ringing that notification bell. All right, just to give you some time to do that. Go ahead, do it right now. And because you've cooperated, I'm going to tell you what's up. This is really important. Pay attention, guys. So let's say we're following this guy, right? If you follow this guy, and then, I guess I could calculate how much money he's trading per session. I guess you should look at how much money he's going up on his P&L, right, on a daily basis. He's gone from 90 to 93. He's making, what the heck? He's making $20 in one day. That means if this is all across the one day, you know, this 66, these aren't $100 trades. These aren't even $10 trades. $10 trade means you make $6, $8. That's already 14. That's already another $10. That's 24. So it's not, these aren't even $10 trades. So if you follow them on a fixed margin, right, then you're going to be toasted. It's going to be way too much risk for you. If it goes down the other way, you're finished. So what if there was a way to exactly follow that, or even do a smaller proportion of what he's trading? Well, that's your lucky day. Two ways to follow: fixed amount or multiplier. Multiplier represents a multiplier relationship between each copy trade and the trader. So if the trader operates a $10 trade based on their account size, right? Obviously, it is designed for him not to wipe out. Because you know what? How many people has Ethan wiped out? Bloody so many people, right? But if you look at Ethan's graph, he's going, you know, quite steady up, and that's a really good thing for Ethan, but not so much for you, right? Because you had a completely different account size. Now, there's someone out there who's crazy enough to just put in, like, you know, $50 trades when the trader themselves aren't even placing, you know, $50 trades with the, you know, and the trader has a, you know, as a 200K account, and then you got an account that's like, you know, $300. You know, that's crazy. But in this situation, if you put 0.01, if they place a $100 trade, you're only putting a $1 trade. So what I want you to do is this: if you're coming back into copy trading, right, because you saw this video, or if you're thinking about trading again, right, this is what I want you to do. Go to a particular trader, right? Obviously, I like to go sort by total piano. Total piano doesn't mean total piano. It just basically means how much money they've done in their account. Let's say you're following some guy that has, I don't know, 20K in their account, 28K WSD. Let's have a look at this guy. Okay, I saw that this guy was pretty good. 20K, 22 to 19K. That's a whopping 3K draw. If you have a $3,000 account, you would have been wiped out on that day. Finished. But he's got a pretty good chill graph in there. He started from $400. Good on him. So if you followed him since when he had $400 with a $400 account and traded exactly the same size as him using the same one multiplier, 1 to, you know, 0.0, you know, 1 to 1 multiplier, then your $400 within a month would have been $29,000. Congratulations, right? But with this one, now that he's on $29,000, if you want to follow him with a $2,000 account, then that's about $3,000 account, because let's call his account as $30,000. With $3,000 account, that is 1/10 of his account. So when you press follow on this guy, you need to be 1/10 of what he's whatever he's doing. Which means, okay, when you press follow on that guy, let's say this was that guy, you go to multiplier and you got to put in 0.01. No, 0.1, sorry. That way you trace only 10% of his lot sizes. That way, considering all those losses are designed not to wipe his own account out. So that will then trace exactly mathematics. This is just pure mathematics. If you don't understand, like, that's fine. All I want you to do, right? Well, I don't want you to do anything. I want you to read the Bible and, you know, seek good advice in life. But all I would be happy to see you guys do, I guess, it's not financial advice, is if you guys would see their account size and your account size and identify the proportion that your account is compared to theirs. And then whatever that percentage is, if your account size is only about 2% the size of theirs, then you put in 0.02. If it's 20% of theirs, it's 0.2. Find obviously the person that you want to follow as well, you know, according to all the metrics and the telltale signs that we want to see in a good trader, as we've gone through in this account. In this YouTube channel, of course, which you should definitely subscribe to. You know, ring that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Is that not working? No. Yeah, there we go. You should like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So if you do that, you know, then it should be a lot safer. Now, of course, that does not mean that if that particular account wipes out, that you will wipe out with them. You will wipe out with them, but they would have to wipe out with them. Okay. Next is this risk management section here. You can put a stop loss in there. Now, you wouldn't probably need to do this on a mathematical or risk management scale if you've already done the follow mode. But if you're still simply following on a fixed amount, margin USDT, then my suggestion would be that, look, it says 3,000 here, but I don't think any trader, even with the highest bloody, you know, P&L as in the account size, on this platform is trading $3,000 trades. That is ridiculous. Like, that multiplied that by freaking, you know, 50x is already what, $150,000 trades that they're making on a 1% gain. That would be like what, $1,500 gains, which is ridiculous. That's on a 50x leverage. That's 0.02%, 0.002%, you know, fluctuations. You're making up $1,500. Not to mention there's going to be volatility around the other way, which means that's going to eat into your account. So anyway, the mathematics works out. So that's what I suggest you guys do. Not financial advice, do whatever you want, but that would put you in a safer position. If you're coming back You know, if you're coming here for the first time or first time in a long time, right, then I suggest you take on this approach, and then you press next and you press follow, and then you watch how that goes. All right, see how that behaves. That's what I suggest you guys do. If you are trading like $10 lot sizes, which none of these traders are even doing because they're trading on such high frequencies, then you know what, you're literally sitting there and you're just literally nervous all day long. Like, I'd hate to see you do that. If you're gonna be that, just go and learn how to trade and trade yourself. But there is way to make money out of copy trading. You got to find the right person, and then you got to identify and follow them in the right ways, so that then you can take the advantage of, you know, make the most of what other people are regular and great and are rational and doing. If you haven't done so, be rational and regular, and go and like, share, and subscribe, and get a notification bell if you haven't done so, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh god. This is the world of copy trade. This is the world of crypto. It keeps chugging along, even in the bear market. You know, are we in the bottom? Maybe we are. We're not. Let us know in the comments below. Love you. Bye.